officially in Mexico.
It is gorgeous.
Thanks for coming, thanks for choosing Puerto Vallarta. Normally takes 30 minutes, but today gonna take like 50 minutes. Why is that? They are building a new bridge. Finally, after 10 years waiting, they finally made.
First impression, it is gorgeous. Holy, look at that. Bye.
See ya.
Wow. Your bed. And you have a little seating area and a table. And then a little balcony. And a closet. This is the bathroom.
We are officially in Mexico. I'm so happy to finally be here off the plane, stress-free, ready to relax, have a good time. Kind of unpacking, but not really because it's 7 and we haven't eaten, so I think we're gonna go eat and then come back, maybe shower, put away a few things, and then go back downstairs. I'm excited to show you this hotel. When we first walked in, it was gorgeous. Let's go eat though, because I'm starving. Stop. What is that?
Oh no.
They're actually over here, so it's like he just sniped.
Yeah, usually.
Once again.
That's really good.
Awesome.
Yeah. Oh, you're already getting topped off. Thank you.
First dinner in Mexico.
Cheers.
What'd you get?
Chili stuffed with meat, birria pizza, steak, birria taco, guac and sour cream, plate number 1.
Yum.
I'm hitting rounds.
Here.
I want to try this. Whoa, it cuts with a butter knife.
That's what I said. That's what Josh said. Josh said that.
Josh did say that.
I like my. I think.
I got the steak with guacamole and pico de gallo, and that has been what I've been craving the entire time, and I will eat it every single day.
Kill me now.
We were talking about like where we're gonna go.
Turn the tick.
I just finished unpacking everything and I'm probably gonna go to sleep. I've had, I think, 2 hours of sleep and then an hour of sleep on the plane. The boys are still downstairs. I think they're watching a show, but yeah, I'm exhausted and I'm going to end the night here. So good night and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Rhythm of the Night is an aerobatics and live music show on the other side of the harbor that you take a boat to get to. We got VIP tickets, which included an open bar, priority boarding, and front row seats.
Something. This is margarita. Rum punch. keep up! Hopefully they don't shit on us. Hopefully they don't shit on us.
Stepping off the boat kind of felt like Survivor vibes.
Bienvenidos a la jungla, bienvenidos a mi casa. Welcome to the jungle! Welcome to my home, our real home, in the heart of nature, right here, under the open sky, with the bird and the bee, the flowers and the tree. It's magical, it's nature. Welcome to Alma!
Oh Lord. What?
The show and food were amazing. Definitely one of the highlights so far. If you're ever in Puerto Vallarta, I highly recommend checking it out. And apparently there's another show on the way home, which was a fun way to end the night.
Let's pretend this isn't my life. Let's pretend it was a great night. Let's pretend that it was real nice.